Wera Craftform Compact SH2 Plumb Kit. 15 carefully selected tools and blades perfect for sanitary and heating sectors. The kit comes nicely packed in a nylon carrying case with a hook and loop fastener strip. The set comes with Series 900 chisel driver, perfect not only for screw driving but also for fastening, chiseling and loosening sized screws or hose clamps. Another tool is hollow shaft nut setter, perfect whenever screw driving jobs involve threaded rods. For electrical work, you get Craftform Compact VDE handle that comes with 2 Phillips and 2 slotted interchangeable blades. Included Joker combination wrench helps with positioning of bolts and nuts. One side is a ratchet, while the other is open-ended with Wera's original design. You also get 4 color-coded hex plus L keys and a single pole phase tester. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME, you need it, we have it.